Relationship happiness seems like a straightforward infusion quality, but would you mind giving me your insights into what that energy can give to a person?
See, what the energy does is it knows what harmony in relationship means, you know, really. So it knows in depth, it knows more than any person on the planet, because basically God knows everything. So, see, God knows what it takes to have a relationship harmony, you know. It knows, for example, God knows like how much peace is needed, how much understanding is needed. Like it knows that if one partner starts screaming at the other person, somehow that the energy somehow helps them calm them down before they actually spit out the rude word or the screaming or whatever. So it's very, very complicated. It's very hard to explain in detail. I literally could explain in half an hour that quality in itself. But overall, it brings harmony. It moves the relationship towards harmony, you know, and more love for each other, and more understanding for each other, you know, and less hurtful towards each other. So that's really what the energy does.